morning students. Today we are going to see the topic real and virtual images. So we have seen that images that is being formed in a pinhole camera and the mirror. So in both also in the last before classes we studied. So how the image is formed you may know that. So we can see can we see the difference between the both the images? What are the images means pinhole and the mirror. So we know that both are a difference. So first the image of the pinhole camera that was formed on the screen. So while the image that is made by the mirror that is obtained on the screen, that it will not obtained on a screen. So the images that is obtained on a screen. So the image is obtained on a screen, that is called as a real image. So if the image cannot be obtained on a screen, that is called as the virtual image. That is called as a virtual image. So we can notice that the image that the pinhole camera that was opposite, what is it? It will be downside. It will be there. First image, if you are focusing the tree means in the downside will be the image will be inverted. So while the mirror image will be upright. So what the image we are seeing through the mirror, that will be in a direct way. So what is the virtual image means? That is a duplicate image, that it will be inverted image. So that is a virtual image. For this, some of the small properties we are having. That is properties of the image that is formed in a plane mirror. So if the plane mirror is there means what are the properties will be there means. So image that it will be formed in the plane mirror in the upright. So in a direct formation it will be there. So in the image formed in the plane mirror is virtual. So if you are standing near the mirror means we will be seeing the opposite side only. So the image of the same size as the object. So if you are standing in front of the mirror means you will not be shown like a big sizes. The same in what your body is there, the same thing only you can see in the mirror. So the distance of the image from the plane mirror, that is equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. So the image is laterally inverted. So the next topic we are going to see is color. So color of sunlight, that is light is a form of energy that is formed in the wave of that stimulating the retina of our eyes. So if you see the sun means the sun color is yellow, but from that some of the waves will be there. So in that rays like dust particles will be there. In that if you see means many colors you can see. So color means we are having lot of colors. So likewise in the visible light the visible light is a spectrum of a number of waves that is with a different wavelength. So that it will be having for each and every colors will be having a different wavelength, that is range from the 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So for 1 nanometer is 10 to the power 9 meter, 10 to the power 9 meter. So the bandwidth of each wavelength that is definite wavelength that is represented in a particular color, that will be having a particular color. The bandwidth of visible light is a VIBGYOR. Bandwidth of visible light is a VIBGYOR. So V violet, I indigo, B blue, G for green, then Y yellow, O orange and red. So this is a VIBGYOR color. So can you remind anything VIBGYOR means? You can remind that is a rainbow colors. Our rainbow color is a VIBGYOR color. Then for example any bubbles, soap powder if you if you pour the water, then if you give the bubbles means we will be getting in this VIBGYOR color. Some of the colors we will be getting in that. So likewise here the violet color is there, no, that has the shorter wavelength. The violet having a shorter wavelength and the red color having a longer wavelength. So V has a shorter wavelength or has a longer wavelength. So when the light ray of a particular wavelength, that is a color that strikes the retina of our eye, our brain perceives that specific color. Then only suddenly we are saying this is a green color, this is a yellow color, pink color, like that we are saying. So when all the colors of a visible light that is strikes the retina of eye at the same time, our brain will be perceives the white. So this is showing that white is not a color at all, but this is the combination of all colors of the visible light of spectrum. So if all the wavelength of visible spectrum gives the appearance of the white. That is similarly the observation of all the wavelength of the visible light. So this it will be lead to the appearance of the black color. So next in the prism. So what is prism means? It will, you all know that this is a like a triangle. It will be there if you see means, but it is a like a not a triangle. If you see means just like a triangle, it will be there like a pyramid shape. So like a pyramid shape, that is a prism. The prism of an object that is made up of a transparent material. There is a transparent material like a glass or plastic. So that it will be having a least two flat surfaces from the acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. That is less than 90 degree. So that is a prism. So we are having the differences between the images formed in the pinhole camera and plane mirror. So the images formed in the pinhole camera, what does it mean? The image will be a real. If it is in the plane mirror means the image will be a virtual. So the image may not be equal to the size of the object. So that is in the pinhole camera. So the plane mirror, in the plane mirror, how it will be means the image will be equal to the size of the object. So in the pinhole camera, how the image that is will be a inverted. In the plane mirror, it will be erect. So thank you students.